Back on the blend this morning, we have Frank Farmer, who is the president of American Metal Roofs and our resident roofing expert. Always good to see you. Welcome back.
Good morning.
So we're going to take a few minutes and sort of play a game with you today.
Okay.
We're going to do some metal roof myth busting. We're going to present some popular myths and about metal roofing, and then you bust them.
There's a bunch of them.
Okay.
All right, so metal roofs, do they attract lightning?
Absolutely not. If metal roofs attracted lightning, every time we went into Myers or Walmart or any big box store that's got a great big metal roof on it, during a thunderstorm, we'd get electrocuted. Does not a bit.
Okay, myth number 2, they're really loud when it rains.
Some metal roofs are. When you're in a barn has big sheets of metal that will vibrate when it rains, but a house is not built like that.
Okay.
Okay, and it is not loud at all. We've never had a complaint on sound. I have had 2 so far in the 20 years we've had the company where people wished it was louder. They didn't believe it.
Wow.
Well, let's talk about weather. Hail. Does hail dent the roof?
If you had massive hail like they have out in Oklahoma, Dallas, Colorado, where it's this big, yes. The pea size, marble size we get, not at all.
Okay, what about this myth? You can't walk on metal roofs.
Absolutely not true. Some metal roofs, you will need to understand how to walk on them, but the majority of them that people are putting on the house, you can walk all over them. It's not a problem.
Wow.
So don't metal roofs then make your house warmer because it attracts the heat?
Quite the opposite.
Okay.
Especially when you can, choices are copper, steel, and aluminum. And when people choose copper and steel, they're going to get a reflective value out of that where it's going to reflect heat. But it's much more with aluminum. Aluminum is the eco-friendly eco-friendly roof. Will reduce energy by about 25%.
Okay, just a few more. Metal roofs will rust.
Some steel will rust. The lower grades, people really need to hire a professional so they understand what will. A full disclosure company, aluminum's never going to rust, copper's never going to rust.
Okay.
So when I think of a metal roof, I think it's really heavy. Is it too heavy for a house?
Metal roofs generally are much lighter than an asphalt roof.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, an asphalt roof will run 250 to 300 pounds per 100 square feet of roofing. Metal roofs, steel will run about 100, 110. Aluminum, 50, 55.
Okay, final question. Metal roof is too expensive for my house.
Absolutely not true. Okay, if somebody's going to be in a house 10 years or more, then they need to consider a metal roof for their house because it will save money.
And if you'd like to consider a metal roof, AmericanMetalRoofs.com, or the number's right there on the screen, 844 Metal Roof.
That's all our time for now. The Morning Blend.